The 12-volt battery in your Kia Niro powers essential electronics. Resetting it can solve issues like starting problems or warning lights. This tutorial covers how to safely reset and check its status, ensuring optimal performance. The 12 volts battery is a lead acid or AGM absorbent glass mat type, typically located under the hood on the passenger side. The battery management system, or BMS, is the brain that monitors and controls your 12-volt battery's performance, tracking voltage, temperature, and charge levels to keep everything running smoothly. However, the BMS memory can become corrupted after events like jump starts, deep discharges, or electrical faults. These situations overload or confuse the system, causing it to lose accurate data about the battery's condition. When the BMS is corrupted, it can prevent your car from starting properly or keep warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, even after the issue has been resolved. Resetting the battery clears this corrupted memory, restoring proper function. It's especially important after any electrical work on your Kia Niro, or if the battery has been completely drained, helping prevent recurring issues. Before starting the 12-volt battery reset procedure in your Kia Niro, ensure the vehicle is completely off, keys are removed from the ignition, and all doors are closed to prevent any electrical issues. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to safeguard yourself during the procedure. In hybrid models like the Kia Niro, avoid touching any high-voltage components to prevent electrical shock or damage to the vehicle's systems. If you are unsure about any step, consult a Kia dealer to avoid potential costly repairs and ensure the procedure is done safely. Open the hood and locate the 12 volts battery under the hood on the passenger side. Disconnect the negative terminal first using insulated tools to avoid sparks. Always remove the negative cable before the positive. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow the battery management system to fully discharge capacitors and reset properly. Reconnect the negative terminal first, then the positive terminal. Ensure connections are secure and tight. The Kia Connect app, if equipped on your vehicle, allows remote battery status checks and alerts for low voltage. Regularly monitor your battery's health through the app to prevent unexpected issues. This feature can reduce the need for manual resets by providing early warnings. For more detailed checks, use a Bluetooth OBD adapter and an app like Torque to monitor voltage. A healthy battery should read 12.6 volts or higher when charged. Check voltage before and after the reset to ensure stability. This helps confirm the reset was effective. If the reset doesn't resolve the issue, suspect parasitic drain or a faulty battery. Parasitic drain occurs when current continues to flow even when the vehicle is off, often exceeding 50 milliamps. Check for signs of a faulty battery, such as slow engine start, dashboard warning lights, a bloated battery case, or terminal corrosion. In such cases, consult a mechanic for further diagnostics to identify the root cause. Kia engineers recommend proactive maintenance using the Kia Connect app over frequent resets, as it allows remote monitoring and alerts for battery status. Remember, improper resets can trigger error codes, affect the hybrid system's performance, or potentially void your warranty. Always follow procedures carefully.